How to start potato chips, crisps business.
Hello friends, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Michael and on this channel we discuss about how to start and run successful small-scale businesses. If you are new, kindly consider subscribing. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I want to basically discuss with you the crisps industry or the crisps business. This is value addition and it is one of the most profitable ventures I would like to introduce to you today. You know, we normally go to supermarkets, we want crisps for bananas, crisps for Irish potatoes, and each and everything that you see around, by the way, we can literally make crisps out of them. It's a matter of being organized. As I told you before, that each and every business you see around is run by marketing. If you know how to sell, you can literally start any kind of business and it will succeed. So
in Limuru, and I'm currently in crisps business, and we are doing the production of potato crisps, whereby we are using potatoes and we are adding value to produce potato crisps. A business that I've been doing for 5 years. Before joining this program, I was selling 300 packets per week, and currently the number has risen to 400 packets per week. This program has brought change in my life and in our business, because since we joined the training, I've been able to know what I'm doing well in my business, and I've been able to do some improvements in the business.
well, this is a worldwide business and it is part 2 of the potato chips business. Remember, in Uganda, 60% of potatoes are grown in western Uganda and mainly in Kabale and Kisoro. Other parts include Amubende, Metiana, Kasese, and Kapchorwa. 800,000 to 1 million ton approximately of potatoes are produced per year in Uganda. This means that this business has a great opportunity for raw materials and you really succeed doing it. And here we are going to mainly look at what exactly you need to have in order to start this. With crisps business, you need to be strategic in your marketing, but the good thing with crisps, they are now sold anywhere. They are not just sold in supermarkets. Every shop almost sell crisps. You can make these crisps from either Irish, or you can also make them from plantain. So in this business, you need to be strategic and be sure that you have constant supply for either plantain, or you can also make from Irish. There are some other things like maybe sweet potatoes and other bananas that people use also to make crisps, but the most common are the plantain and Irish potatoes. So you be strategic and know where you can get these materials from, and of course start your business. It needs some machinery, but the good thing with this business, you can even start it without any kind of machinery. You can use the locally available means of packaging, and you can use the locally means available for also frying. So you can advance slowly by slowly as you purchase the more advanced machines that can help you to increase your production. But literally everyone can start this business. Remember, we have crisps buying, we have crisps cutting machines. If you need, I'll help you acquire one if you want to enter into commercial production. Of course, besides these people who just fry crisps or chips along the road, you can also begin making these crisps during your time when you are not at work. Of course, This business can be done by even employed people. In the evening or when you are at home in your free time, you can fry these crisps and also go with them when you're going even at your workplace. You can even sell them at your workplace, or even you can supply to the nearest shops and supermarkets around you. Of course, you need your brand to be approved by UNBS, because that is a food industry, and after that you'll be able to supply your products commercially. Today there are a lot of brands for crisps in the market, but yours can be one of them, and you can start this business and succeed from it. You should know where you have to get these bananas and also Irish at a cheaper price to help you favorably compete with those people who are already in the market. Well, thank you so much for watching this video, and I implore you subscribe for more interesting business tips. Have a nice time. Bye bye.